Hi everyone, this video will be very short. I just want to say thank you for all people that subscribed on my channel and follow my recipes. As again, I will tell you that I make only good food with good products, and if you have some problems with your tummy or with allergies, for example, then you definitely need to follow my recipes. And if you like them, just push likes and send them to your friends and people that you know, and all my recipes will be even more popular, and more people will know how to cook and prepare good food for their health. And one more moment, if you want just to follow my life, how I live, what I'm doing, sometimes I publish some funny videos too, then you can follow my pages on Instagram and TikTok. And have a good day, and just push likes and eat good.